Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where today we dive into one of the most exclusive and breathtaking cars ever built, the Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL. This is not just another luxury convertible, it is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, design, and pure prestige. Mercedes has taken the legendary SL and elevated it into a rare collector's item, blending Maybach's opulence with a timeless Roadster spirit. The first thing that captures your attention is the design. The Mythos SL is bold yet elegant, with its elongated proportions, sweeping lines, and an unmistakable Maybach grille that dominates the front. Every detail of the exterior has been sculpted to exude exclusivity, from the chrome accents to the unique alloy wheels, making sure it stands apart even in the world of ultra-luxury cars. This is a car built for those who want to be noticed without saying a single word. Step inside and the story gets even more impressive. The cabin is pure Maybach luxury, wrapped in the finest leather, handcrafted wood, and polished metal finishes. Everything you touch feels bespoke, from the stitched detailing on the seats to the beautifully designed control knobs. The ambient lighting, combined with the open-top experience, gives you the feeling of sitting in a private lounge that just happens to be capable of immense performance. It's not just a car, it's an experience crafted around the driver and passenger. Under the hood, the Maybach Mythos SL is no slouch. Power comes from a roaring V8 or V12 engine, depending on configuration, ensuring effortless acceleration and smooth cruising. It blends performance with refinement, delivering not just speed, but also the silence and comfort expected from Maybach. It is engineered to glide like a yacht on wheels, yet unleash its power the moment you demand it. What makes this car even more extraordinary is its exclusivity. Mercedes has made it clear that the Mythos SL is not for everyone. Production numbers are extremely limited, and buyers are personally selected. This makes it not only a car, but a collector's treasure, an automotive jewel reserved for a privileged few. The Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL isn't just about transportation. It's about making a statement, living a lifestyle, and owning something that blends history, craftsmanship, and power in one breathtaking package. This is 91 Gearbox, and if you want more deep dives into the world's most extraordinary cars, make sure you subscribe and join us on the next drive.